Soundstripe.
My name's Warren Browning. I'm the General Manager at Barnsdale Lodge Hotel. Before we had the shades installed, it caused quite a lot of problems with the direct sunlight and also the heat aspect as well in the conservatory, making it quite uncomfortable. It causes a lot of problems, especially around lunchtime when the sun can be directly coming into the conservatory. So it's been a remarkable improvement since we've had the shades installed. 5-day blinds installed blinds. We found them to be very professional. They worked with us to make sure that they could do it in a timely fashion, and their work was very, very clean. And they did really worry about the mess they were making, and they cleaned up after themselves all the time, giving us no worries. We could literally do the fit out in a couple of hours, and then in between lunch and dinner, roll straight back into service without having anyone coming in to serve it. It worked with our facilities manager here on site, but it's pretty much just to only gain access into the conservatory at the right time, so it didn't intrude on business. But yeah, we left it all down to them, everything from site survey right through to install. There was communication all the way, and it worked very much in our favour.